All right, for my next trick, I'm going to use something that involves a very simple paper clip. Now, what you do is straighten the paper clip out, just like so, like this. Now watch really close, right here, as I concentrate, and I breathe. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Do you like the sound effects of my voice? Because it has nothing to do with the trick. But if you like this, let's show you how this is done. Really simple. All you do, go get your paper clip and I'll show you. Make sure your friends aren't around. Come on, let's go. All right, this is really simple, easy to do. A lot of people do this kind of stuff by using the mind and breathing really hard. Well, I run out of breath doing all that, so I can't do that. I do more comedy type stuff. But all you do is get you a paper clip. This is really simple. You're going to, you'll be like, why didn't I think of that? So simple. So what you do, you just straighten out a paper clip. Any normal one will work. I'm going to straighten it out like this. Okay. And then too, if you have small fingers, you can get your parents to help you. Straighten this out with maybe some pliers or something would work too. Okay. So you want to straighten that out and get that looking as straight as possible. Okay. All right. Now, here's the bend. I'm going to bend it about right here like this, okay? There you go. So you have it, I wouldn't say 90 degrees, probably, almost, probably about 70 degrees there or whatever, okay? You got it? So there's the bend right there, okay? All right. Now, here comes the trick. You have to make sure you do this head on or either with a video camera. That way you do it straight on like this, okay? It won't work on the side or anything like this. Now here's the trick. It's actually bent already the whole time, okay? What I'm doing is, you see, it's just kind of already bent right there, okay? But you can't really tell, it looks straight, right? So here's the bend right there, you see? And you see how I turn it with my fingers? You don't want to do it like that. What you're going to do is just twist it, okay? Watch, I twist it. You make sure you get all this covered here too, okay? Don't leave it out like that, because, you might see how it went down right there like that, okay? So I'm going to cover it with my fingers, okay? Get it straight on. Practice this in the mirror, very important. That's the best way to do it. And when you got it, you can actually do it in front of a camera like this, and then you go down like this. I always like to, look at that. It freaks me out just looking at it. It looks real, But there it is, with one simple paper clip, all right? So I hope you like that. Very easy, simple to do. Now, if you like this simple type of stuff, I'm doing this all the time on this channel. All you have to do is make sure, please, subscribe down there. Make sure you hit the like button, the thumbs up button, and also hit the notification bell. That way you will get notified every single time I do a simple little trick like this. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Make sure you practice, and I'll see you soon.